I'm Paul Harrison, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to set up the Agile demo kit. This kit features 2 kiosks, a large and a small, 4 Ethernet cables, 3 10-foot and 1 3-foot cable. You'll have a power strip, an Agile Design Center server with the power adapter and cable. You'll also have a power over Ethernet switch with its power cable as well. The first thing to set up is the power strip. Set that on the table and plug that into the associated power supply. The next thing you want to get is the power over Ethernet switch. Set that on the table and then get the associated power cable to go with it. Plug that into the back of the switch and then turn on the power of the switch and plug it into the power strip that you've been supplied. Next, you'll want to add the Agile Design Center server to the setup. On the back side of the server is the associated ports that you'll want to plug into. We suggest putting those on the same side as the PoE switch. Grab your 3-foot Ethernet cable and plug it into LAN 1 on the server, and then plug it into any available port on the PoE switch. Next, you'll want to take out the power supply for the server. You should have a 12-volt DC power adapter that goes in the associated spot on the back side of the server. You'll also want to connect the power cable to the adapter and then plug into the power strip as well. Be sure to turn on the server. You'll do so by pressing the power button on the front side. Make sure that you have an LED blue light that illuminates to ensure power has been turned on. The next thing you'll do is add the kiosk to the switch. To do so, grab 2 of the 10-foot Ethernet cables and plug into the available ports on the PoE switch. Next, you'll want to connect the Ethernet cables to the back side of the kiosk. In the associated Ethernet port, plug the cable in and make sure that the lights illuminate so you know that signal has been made. Please note that it does not matter which cable goes to each kiosk. They can be used interchangeably. The last part of the setup will be to add your laptop or your tablet to the network. To do so, if you have a tablet, make sure you have a USB to Ethernet adapter. Once you plug that in, you'll connect the Ethernet cable to the adapter and then plug into the PoE switch. If you have a standard laptop, you should have an available Ethernet port that you can plug directly into the laptop and then plug that into any available port on the switch. Once you've done this, you've now completed setting up all the hardware for your demonstration kit. The next thing you'll want to do is activate the destination control simulator so that the kiosks start functioning, and then also connect to the Design Center server. If you're not sure how to do those, please be sure to check out the associated video on those. Thanks for watching. I'm Paul Harrison. Bye-bye.